Welcome to Jolly Star Learning, where education is exciting and every day is a new adventure. Join us as we explore letters, numbers, science, and more.
Hey kids! Today we will read the book, Counting Bears. Tiny bears in the violets. Big, wild bears in trees. Hi, there, they all say. Can you please count me? One wild and 5 tiny. Make 6 and then. I find for big, wild bears. 6 and 4 are 10. Great job! 5 tiny bears go fishing in the silent stream. Each finds 2 tiny fish. That's 10 fish for the team. The big, wild bears are hungry. The tiny bears are too. The big, wild bears want tiny fish. Now what will they do? Do you mind? Asks a wild bear, grabbing a tiny fish. Yes, I do mind, says a tiny bear. That's my tiny fish. I like that tiny kind, says Wild. That tiny fish is mine, says Tiny. Don't you take it, Wild Bear. And don't you get so whiny. I have a good idea, says a bear that's bright. And I know that this idea will help us get this right. After we end our tidy feast, the wild, strong bears will find some giant, shiny fish that tiny bears left behind. All of the bears say yes. So bears both wild and tiny eat the shiny, tiny fish and pat their bellies, sighing. Then wild bears hurry down into the winding stream. They find 20 fish to share. Plenty, it would seem. They match bears and fishes. Here is what they find. Give each bear 2 fishes. Not one is left behind. There's a giant pile of bones. The bears are too tired to stand. They say they're ready to sleep in shelters close at hand. They make 2 lines of 5. All are ready to lie down. Tiny and wild, they settle in. New friends doze all around. As twilight comes to the forest, the bears curl up under the stars. During the night, with eyes shut tight, their dreams will take them far.
Thank you for learning with Jolly Star Learning. Keep exploring, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.